Lucy!
Our neighbors shared these stories with us to share with you.
Is anyone home?
Want to know what happened? We've got the backstories. I'm Crystal Cruz with Ring. Let's start in Arizona.
I'm on my way home right now. I'll be out soon, okay? No, please come open the door. There's a bobcat and I want to come in. Please.
A bobcat could scare any of us, especially a 7-year-old. You can see Taylor has her bicycle helmet on. She was out riding when she crossed paths with the bobcat.
I think my mom's at home and I saw it.
No, you stay right there. We're going to be home in 1 minute, sweetie. You stay right there.
Okay.
Moments later, the neighbors pulled up and Taylor made it back home safe to her mom. Look at all that snow. Looks like a lot of work. Not for the neighbor standing on her porch. Her husband got a motion alert on the Ring app, and when she came outside, she saw her neighbor plowing their driveway. A huge help for her husband, who told us he recently hurt his back and was not looking forward to shoveling all that snow. And that's how to be a good neighbor.
Thank you.
One of our neighbors saw last week's episode and sent us this story. Josh from Kansas told us he got busy helping his kids, accidentally left his dog Lucy outside, oops, and then went to work. It happens. He saw Lucy cruise in the yard on his Ring cameras and used them to get her into the garage.
Lucy! Go inside.
Look at that face on the floodlight cam. Her ears even perked up when she heard Josh's voice. And it gets better. Josh hurried home and was met by a mile-a-minute tail wag, the sign of a very happy pup.
We always love to see how Ring can bring people and pets together. If you have videos you'd like to share with us, send them to stories@ring.com. And remember, with Ring, you're always home.
Mommy.
Hi. What do you need out there?
This.
Ew. Is that a snake?
It's dead.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm going to take a picture. Oh my gosh.
It was dead when the garage was closing.
What? And you're just holding it in your hand?
Daddy found it.
Yeah! I love those things. I don't know why. They're so addicting. It's like not even real cheese, but it's so good. Cheers. How can I help you?
Is there's like a ball back in your garden? Yeah, where the house next to the greenhouse has to left.
Okay.
Backyard understand. We're in the back of here.
Okay. Well, you know, you know what? There's nobody at the house. I want to be there like in 20 minutes, and then I could open the back. But there's nobody at the house right now.
But wait, then how are you talking to us if there's nobody home?
It's a new thing, but you're looking at it's a camera, and I'm looking at it through my phone. It's called the Ring. You can Google it. It's something new.
Wait, can you see my hand?
Yeah, I can see you, and I can see the friends behind you too, with the red shirt. Everything's being recorded right now.
I heard you.
Okay, you'll see me when I drive up right down the Mercedes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you kidding?
Did you ring the doorbell?